Good evening and welcome. Abuse is not comedy. And just by throwing in the F word multiple times while abusing and make it stupid comments, really stupid comments, stupid and vicious comments, like saying that in India, women are worshipped in the day and gang raped at night. Is there anything funny about this, viewers? This is not funny at all. It's stupid. Some idiot, some lowlife may find abusing India funny. And frankly, viewers, why Veer Das? Any half-literate can go to a foreign country and say that in India we gang rape women at night, we are an anti-women, anti-army country where the air is totally polluted, where we can't breathe, where we're all dying, where we play cricket not for the country but because we want to become Hindu fanatics versus Pakistan, that we are a country which is not really a democracy, where people don't have a voice, we are in fact a joke. Yes, viewers, a joke and not the world's oldest democracy. Any half-literate, and why Veer Das? Any fool can go, stand on a foreign stage and utter these stupidities, throw in a few abuses, pepper it with a few references to sex, throw in the F word liberally, be this cheap, lowest common denominator kind of expression that you use, and you'll get a few laughs. You will get a few laughs, viewers. In fact, you'll get a few laughs and coins thrown at you if you were to go and stand outside any burger joint on a New York street. Why do you need to go to Kennedy Center? Somebody will laugh at you, somebody will throw a few coins. But you know what the real stupidity is, ladies and gentlemen? The real stupidity. This person actually went to the Kennedy Center. He went to the Kennedy Center and questioned diners. And there also this person spoke about how in India young leaders, probably a reference to his favorite middle-aged adolescent, will not stop following their mothers, a critique of dynastic politics. And then he spoke at the same time about how Kennedy is a great man, like one of the greatest men in the world. How foolish can you get? Veer Das, who wrote these lines for you? Kennedy is the 20th century's greatest dynasty, Veer Das. It's just so foolish, so daft, ladies and gentlemen, so hollow. But let me make one thing clear tonight. In this country, where a 23-year-old lays down his life unquestioningly at the border for the country, in this country, where a young army officer, his wife and his 8-year-old son are killed by terrorists, and where the brave father doesn't shed a tear, holds himself back as he carries out the last rites of his son. In this country, where commandos risk their lives to fight Maoist terrorists. In this country, the country of the greatest entrepreneurship, where across the world people come to find talent and human talent. In this country, where infrastructure at levels never been seen before has been laid in the last few years. When you come from this country, it's not cool to sell yourself in America and earn a few coins by abusing your country in a hall built in the memory of a dynasty in the world's most racist country, which is America. Sorry, Veer Das or any of the people like you, that's not cool. It is stupid. It's also vicious. That's why we'll debate it.